Cheesecake is something that I would never get tired of. I mean, it's an all-time favorite, but what if you was to take the all-time favorite and take it to the next level? And by taking it to the next level, I mean dunk it in chocolate. That's right, on today we are taking cheesecake slices and we are dunking them in chocolate and then coating them in different toppings from strawberry crunch to Oreo to a cereal. Wait. Okay, I took the cereal down. I thought I still had it showing. Yeah, coating it into a cereal and turtle. The chocolate we are using today is one of my favorites, and that is Ghirardelli. There we go. Yeah, Ghirardelli. I love using Ghirardelli chocolate. I got, fumble that. I got the white chocolate, and I'm using dark chocolate to do the turtle dip cheesecake slice. And here go the cheesecake slices right here. They've been sitting in the fridge now, so they are nice and stiff. Now, you don't want them too frozen because, of course, you know, when you bite into it, you want to be able to bite through the cheesecake. But you want them kind of stiff to where, like, once you put in the popsicle stick will stay in. Now, the cheesecake, did I make this? No, I didn't. This is a bought cheesecake from the store. I mean, if you want to go through the process of making your own cheesecake, that's cool. But you can simply just buy one from the store, cut it into slices, and do this. Oh yeah, I kind of went through a moment trying to figure out which size popsicle stick to use, either these skinny ones or the big ones, because I was thinking that these gonna be some pretty hefty slices, but once I cut the cheesecake up, it was they're kind of small, so the small cheesecake sticks is actually holding on very good, and the big ones is somewhat like trying to cause them to crack, but it's still gonna work out. And here go the setups to melt the chocolate. You could say I have two double broiler setups set up right now. Got a pot with a small amount of water, steam, and we're gonna temper the chocolate down. Got another pot, steam water. Now let's go ahead and throw in the chocolate. This is extra white chocolate that I had from a strawberry dip order the other day, so we can go ahead and throw that into the bowl too. Like I said, Ghirardelli is my favorite chocolate. I use this chocolate since the beginning. I always love this chocolate. So Ghirardelli, if you see this, hey, get at me. And now we're just gonna stir the chocolate and let it melt down. So when using a double broiler setup, it's best to make sure you don't have the water underneath just straight up boiling. Because if the water is boiling, then that steam is going to be extra hot and it's going to overcook the chocolate. Well, not overcook, scorch the chocolate because it's going to melt too fast and so it's going to burn it. When melting down chocolate, it's all a patience game. Like, you can't rush it. And we're back. Chocolate is all melted now. Just look at that. And why did I pick up this bowl? This is hot. But it's all melted. And now to help dunking the cheesecake easier, as you can see, the chocolate is kind of thick. So to help loosen it up, we're going to use some Paramount crystals to loosen up the chocolate. And here we have Paramount crystals from Mary Carter's. Now, if you don't remember what Paramount crystals are, they are pretty much like solidified shortening to help you thin out candy and chocolate. Don't need that much. Now we just work that in. All right, there we go. Now that's what we want to work with. That's so much better. Let's get to our dipping station. And here we are, dipping station, all ready and done. We got the strawberry crunch, we got the chopped pecans, we got the cookies and cream crunch, and we got Fruity Pebbles. Yes, good old Fruity Pebbles cereal. So now let's go ahead and get to dunking these. I think I'll start off first by making a good old strawberry crunch one. So let's grab the cheesecake, still on, nice and stiff. So what you do is you take it and you just dunk it on in. Try to get it all around. Try to get as many corners and stuff as you can. Oh! Are you serious? Something told me that was probably gonna happen. Give me just a second and I'll figure out what to do with this. Okay, so I set the cheesecake back in the freezer to harden for it a little bit. So I'll come back once they harden, but yeah, here goes this one lip. I mean, hey, accidents do happen on set, but all that matters is you're able to keep on pushing and work around it.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's try this again, but very quickly. Not even gonna worry about the backside of it that much. Letting excess drip. Now coat. There we go. Yeah, now we working. Coat the back some. That's why I got the fork to help me pick up if need be. And bring over here. Yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. Plan working out, y'all. All the cheesecake slices are all dipped. Now let's finish decorating the top of these. Take some of the white chocolate. We're gonna go back and forth. Put some drizzles on top of it. And now with the Oreo, if you remember when I made the red velvet waffles, I had a cookies and cream cheese glaze. We're gonna use this glaze. So get a good squeeze. Just gonna go back and forth right there. Then we're gonna take some white chocolate and drizzle it back and forth. Crushed Oreos on top of it. Well, that one fell off. Then just a little bit more chocolate. And there you have it, chocolate dipped cheesecake 4 different ways. We have the turtle with white chocolate, dark chocolate, caramel, whipped cream, peanuts, caramel on top, fruity pebbles, cookies and cream with the Oreos and the glaze and the white chocolate, and strawberry crunch. What y'all think of these? And here we are about to try one, and I think the one I'm gonna try out is strawberry crunch. Can't ever go wrong with a classic. Strawberry crunch. Hold on. Let's see if I can. All right, let's eat it. I already know I don't need to be eating this, but hey, I can use this as my energy to go work out right after this video. So let's dig in. And no, seriously, y'all, this is amazing. Look at how creamy the cheesecake is. I think y'all can see that. The strawberry crunch, the white chocolate, the drizzle, it's just, it all comes together so perfectly. Like I said, cheesecake is already, man, one of the kings of dessert, but this is taking it to the next level, dipping it in chocolate and then coating it in different toppings. It puts it on top of the mountain, y'all, like it's on top of the mountain, and I'm dripping crumble all over myself right now. And that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hey, leave a like, comment on this video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you think of it, and hey, keep subscribing to the channel, share this video. We are getting closer and closer to 100K. Hey, we almost there. But all right, y'all, that's it for this one. See ya.